A properly balanced diet will keep your budgie healthy and active. Provide a high-quality seed mix, or pellet diets enriched with vitamins and minerals essential for budgies' health. Supplement your budgies' diet with fresh fruits and vegetables, such as carrots, apples, and spinach. Clean and change their food and water regularly. Offering fresh water. Fresh water should be provided daily in a clean dish that is easy for your budgie to access. Use sanitized and stainless steel bowls instead of plastic to prevent bacterial growth and toxicity. Providing entertainment and exercise. Budgies are social birds and require stimulation and exercise to maintain their physical and mental health. Toys such as swings, mirrors,